here, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back to give you guys yet another makeup tutorial. Today the look that I did is really giving me Lion King vibes. I put this look up on my Instagram page. I think it was last week. Was it? Yes, it was last week. I think Friday. Maybe Friday or Thursday. I don't remember. But it's giving me like Lion King vibes. So you know how the cover of the Lion King DVD looks? I have it right here just so I can show you guys. Just in case you don't know. So this is the Lion King cover. You see how it has that orange and yellow? But funny story. When I did this look the other day, my boyfriend was in the house and he was like, so you did the whole tequila sunrise look, and I'm like, tequila sunrise? What's a tequila sunrise? Like, y'all, I don't know. So I looked up what a tequila sunrise is, and sure enough, my look looks like a tequila sunrise with the yellow and the orange. Like, it's like perfect for summer. So without further ado, I'm just gonna stop talking. I'm gonna jump right into this makeup tutorial.